Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Munita Anisha in front of you, and today I have something different in my channel. I have never done a haul before and this is my first haul, and it's not like a traditional haul but it is something special and unique, and it stands for the initiative of Vocal for Local. And I'll just tell you what it is. So basically this is the stuff that I brought from ETPS online market, and I'll just quickly walk you around the kind of stuff I have purchased from there. Now talking about the Clear and Fresh masks, these clay masks are extremely travel friendly. You can just carry them in your bag and you can move. There are times when you don't really feel like carrying an entire bottle or the stuff, so you can just carry these pouches, and it has a very good texture. And this one is basically the pure brightening clay mask, and this one is the pore tightening clay mask. So both of them have their own use. This one tightens your pore and this one is for instant glowing skin. I personally suggest you to buy this one. This one is a really good catch, and these are very good for the days when you are on a hassle and you just need a clear skin in few minutes. So this basically talking about this website ETPS online market, they provide wholesale and retail stuff at a very discounted price. Like comparatively, for majority of stuff I've noticed that they at least offer like 25 to 30% discount, which is huge. So I prefer buying from them because some stuff is like I get it for cheap rates, so definitely I go for it. And it's high-end quality, it comes packaged properly, and there's 24/7 support. So this has to be the favorite thing which I purchased in the entire haul. These soaps by OJ Ayurveda have been the best because not only they have helped me with the skin problems you usually face and the itchiness you face during summers and all, but each and every soap has its own purpose. I'm using one of them right now, and it has been a tremendous addition to in my bathroom cabinet products. So talking about the goat milk soap, now everyone knows that goat milk is very good for your skin. It's a natural anti-molar, and it helps your skin with clearing your skin and like naturally cleanses off your skin and removes the dead skin cells. Talking about the Kevra soap, now this one has got a beautiful fragrance. Like right now if I'm holding it over here, the whole room is filled with fragrance. It's such an amazing product. And the Kevra is basically known for making your skin texture very good, luminous skin. So it will serve this purpose for you. And if you're something who loves aroma like me, then definitely go for this one soap. And the goat milk one is my personal recommendation in case you're facing some itchiness issues and problems and you want to get rid of them. Then definitely go for the goat milk soap because it's really good. And the third one I have over here is the Panchamrit and turmeric oil. Now Panchamrit is very good for your skin. It delivers various benefits for all kind of skin types. Doesn't dehydrate your skin and keeps your skin plumped up and moisturized. It doesn't dry out your skin by taking away all the moisture content away. And then turmeric has skin brightening properties and makes you look bright and everything. So I love these soaps. These soaps are like the turmeric one and the Kevra one is 60 rupees and the goat milk soap is 400 rupees. And when you go into the website, they may be pretty cheap. When I purchased them, they were really cheap. And right now they have sales going on electronic appliances. They have basically a huge variety of stuff. They have body care stuff, skincare, cosmetics, makeup, electronic appliances, gadgets, and many things. There were many things to explore from fashion, appearance, shoes. So I found it very good, and the reason why I'm talking about it is because there are very less websites which I can say are purely vocal for local and purely stand for Atmanirbhar Bharat, or purely promote the get the homegrown industries and the Indian cottage industries as well. So whatever stuff I have in my hand also are basically from OJ Ayurveda, or are basically from the most indigenous brands. Most of them are from indigenous brands. So talking about this one, OJ Ayurveda 22 Herbs Body Wash. Now the reason why I'm talking about body wash and why I prefer body wash and shower gels over soap at times is soap have their own use. But body wash and shower gels, you take them a little bit in your loofah and it goes a long way. And this is very good in quality, and this will provide you with the best of 32 herbs, and it has this Mahatiktaka ghee which I searched when I was very intrigued about this thing, and it was basically the herbal ghee which is used in eye treatment, which is used for skin treatment, eczema, skin rashes, allergies, and it is used for various other purposes in Ayurveda also related to gastric ulcers and all, but particularly for skin also it is like one skin ingredient which I have not mainly heard of in too many products, and this was something I found extremely rare. So I got this for myself, and it really makes your skin feel very hydrated and supple, gives your skin that supple kind of feel throughout the day. So the 32 Curves body wash over here. Okay, so I'm just left with two products over here. This is the hair growth oil. When it came, like basically I have this foam attached because I'm using it right now, and it just makes it very easy for application. This is 800 rupees, the growth hair oil, and I think so it would be available at this price only in the website as well. But I purchased this because there was a lot of raving about this one, that it really makes your hair grow long and gives your skin that, it gives your hair that kind of luster and volume, and with regular use, and if you steam your hair after that, it will really promote hair growth and all. So I just bought this one for myself and I'm trying it right now. So it's a good addition as well, but my personal favorites have to be the soap. Definitely the soap have to be my personal favorite, and since I always recommend a part of my audience to go for the travel friendly products, so I would suggest the Clear and Fresh mask for you. And then I bought 3 sets of these eyelashes, and I have 2 of them in different sizes, and this one I just kept it packed, so I'm just showing it to you. These are the eyelashes which I got, Vibrance eyelashes, and they are of very supreme quality. You don't have to like really adjust them from all the ends. It just gets on into your eyelid very well, and gives you a very proper adjustment. So basically I love all of these products, and I am suggesting this because we need to promote the homegrown brands right now. We need to promote the indigenous brands right now. I know everything in this set is not exactly indigenous, but most of them are. And we need to promote a website. We need to promote the basic source which is delivering or which is uplifting or putting up a platform for these brands also. So thereby I made this call for all of you so that I can really create awareness about this website existing, and in future maybe others as well, regarding the products which you will get at less price. And you all always ask me regarding the skincare and body care stuff, and you ask me if there's any discount coupon, discount code, and I tell you that also, but this is from where you can literally get a good discount. So thank you so much for watching, guys, and please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the notification, don't forget to hit the bell icon to get the notification. Thank you so much for watching.